Let's cook 2 Tori recipes for summer. One is cooked with milk and is mildly spiced. The other is spicy and has tomatoes in it, also called ridge gourd, turai or jhinge. This is a seasonal vegetable that you will be able to cook quickly and cut down on your kitchen time. Do subscribe for easy, tried and tested recipes. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Use a peeler to peel the skin of the turai or ridge gourd. Trim the ends, and before you cut it, do a taste test. Okay, so this one is sweet. Sometimes the gourds turned out to be bitter, and you shouldn't cook with gourd that is bitter in taste. So taste them individually before you even start cooking. So I cut it along its length, and then I'm going to slice it into 1/2 inch thick slices. The first one, 3/4 cups of warm milk, 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Add it to the milk and mix it well. Keep it aside. Heat a pan. Add in 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Temper it with 1/2 teaspoon of onion seeds, nigella, Kalonji. When they stop spluttering, add in the gourd, Tori or jhinge in Bengali. This is about 3 large gourds that I'm using. Toss them around and cook them, stirring continuously till they get a light color on them. Should take a few minutes. So this is after about 2.5 to 3 minutes, and I'll add in a bit of sugar, about a teaspoon, and salt to taste, and about a 1/3 teaspoon of coriander powder, dhania. That's all we need to add. This is one of the easiest recipes, really light on the stomach and perfect for the summer season. Quick toss. Stir the milk and rice flour mixture. Pour it in. Bring to a boil. Lower the heat. Cover it and cook till the gourd is done. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Send me your feedback when you try it. The sauce has thickened and the gourd is cooked. Add in green chilies, either slit or whole. I always like to add them whole. And a teaspoon of desi ghee, clarified butter. And then just cover it and turn off the heat. Let this rest for at least 3 minutes before you serve it. I wish you could smell it. The second one, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Let that heat up. Temper it with 1/2 teaspoon of pachforan, Bengali 5 spice, and a red chili. I'm using Kashmiri red chili. You could use the one with heat. Add in the Tori or ridge gourd. I'll season it with a bit of salt. Cook this for a couple of minutes. That has started releasing water. Add in a teaspoon of grated or paste of ginger. Cook briefly till the raw smell goes away. And then add in a large tomato that has been chopped. Lower the heat and cover it for a couple of minutes. Let's check on it. Time to add in a teaspoon of jeera powder, cumin, and 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric, haldi powder, a teaspoon of sugar. This is optional, but Bengali recipes always have a bit of sugar in them. It balances out the other tastes. Quick mix. Cover and cook till the gourd is done. This is cooked and the tomatoes retain their shape. That's all right. Check and adjust the seasoning if you have to. Turn off the heat. 1 whole green chili, and I'll just cover it. Give it a few minutes for the chili to release its aroma. Serve the sabzis with rice or roti and enjoy.